Daddy, every time any movie I dey watch now, pressing forward the movie. If you watch pressing forward movie, you grab a profit and you grab the action. Daddy, anytime I see you pressing forward movie, you dey press the movie action. When you take action for a movie, you go just bitter for your enemies. Wetin make you dey do like that?
Na movie now. Pressing forward. So they press it. Right now we're here pressing, moving forward, moving industry Nigeria. My name is Titi. The no church right inside the church, very close to the altar. Check this one.
Quarter sign.
The daughters of Nigeria.
Daddy, so many people are pressing, then you go press to get to the client to have. But if you press, you get pressing forward movie, you get happiness.
Baby, pressing a little bit of money.
Oh, dog, pressing forward movie, just watch. Titi Temple.
Watch out for this one. I do whatever. Guy. Check it out. Daughters of Nigeria. It's dangerous.
Quarter sign.
Want some?
Quarter sign. Pressing forward. If I press no catch the client, if I no catch him mother catch if I no catch him the cataract, pressing forward. Press to catch client. Press to watch this movie.